As I mentioned yesterday, I want to start doing the marketing for Uniflow. And so today I've spent majority of the day, except of the morning, I've spent on learning as much as I can about the tools that I can use to speed up all of the process of creating the post, posting the post, and automating all of that stuff. So I can do it once, put like 2 weeks into creating the post, scheduling the post for like next 2-3 months. And then for those 2-3 months, I have time to do other stuff. So that's my plan really, to by the end of the week have the plan. By the end of the week, I want to know what posts do I want to create, on what accounts do I want to post them, because I want to go through the whole spectrum of different platforms, from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, and I think Pinterest as well. So all of those accounts, and I would like to make sure that I post, reels, I post normal posts, shorts, and all of YouTube as well. So all of that stuff, all of the spectrum, and I will have to create a lot of videos, a lot of different posts, a lot of carousels, a lot of everything really, for the period of 3 months. So the goal over here is that on each day I will post at least 5 times on Instagram, TikTok, and on the shorts, so at least 5 times. And then on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, which is X right now, I will post minimum of 2 times. So there is a lot of posts, a lot of videos to be created, a lot of different things that has to be done. I don't have to do it by the end of the week, don't get me wrong, but I do need to do it by the end of the month. So I would like to have the content for, November, December. So that's the period where we're going to Christmas. Is super important for money management, as people need to know how to really budget for their Christmas expenses, and how to budget for January. And then for January, because January is super important, because people after Christmas, majority of them doesn't have money. So that's how I would like to create that next strategy for next 3 months. And probably whole January, or like a little bit, half of January, I will spend again creating for another 3 months. And during the November, once all of those posts are automated, during the November I would like to actually contact as many investors as possible. And maybe actually I will do it during creating the post as well, because that's the time where we need to do it. The goal over here is by the end of this month we onboard at least 300 people. Right now we have 12. It's not great. So if you are an Android user, don't forget to go and download Uniflow, Control Your Life. That's the name of the application on Google Play, sorry. The morning I spent on the meeting with the new backend developer, Surendra. And then I was talking to Ravin as well about his development, but he finished, but unfortunately there is even more errors than it was yesterday. So I'm not really happy about it, because it just really slowing down everything. So tomorrow we will have to take a different approach to what he's trying to fix, so we can actually release everything. Today I'm probably going to sit down and move all of the stuff that Chris has developed to the production version, so at least those stuff can be implemented there. And I've asked Ravin to really make sure that all of the things that he was trying to fix right now, he needs to leave them and just fix the stuff that the current customers told us that they have problems with. So that's the priority, and the second priority will be to really fix all of the other things that he's trying to fix for the past month, which is a little bit taking a long time. But having said all of that, that was my day. Thank you very much for joining me today, and as always, I see you tomorrow.